Extended command name hover feature. When you're using TrueGrid and you can't quite remember what a menu command means, just look in the far upper left-hand side of your program window and hover over the menu item with your cursor, and you will see a printout of the extended or long command name. You will also find a PDF on our website that you can download that contains all of the commands and their extended descriptions. The PDF is called Extended Menu Description Listing. It shows all of the available commands found in the TrueGrid menus, organized by submenu. There are 3 sections, one for each of the 3 phases in TrueGrid. You can use the search feature to quickly look up any command you're looking for. There are only 2 levels of menus in TrueGrid. The main menu is a listing of all of the submenus. Each submenu only contains commands and tools. You can use the in-program help tool from any menu. You turn on the help tool by selecting Help and then selecting a menu item. The Help button will remain blue as long as it is activated. In this case, I'm on the main menu, so when I select one of the items, it shows me the listing of all of the commands that I will find if I were on that submenu. If I select Help again, it will turn off the Help tool and I can navigate to a submenu. Once on a submenu, I can again turn on the Help tool and select an item. A detailed description of that command or tool will appear, and I click on Help again to turn off the Help feature. Another great resource for all TrueGrid users is our Examples Manual. It's available to download from our site. The manual starts off with many simple TrueGrid models with the command lines that can be copied and pasted into TrueGrid. This allows you to step through over 100 meshes and explore each command one at a time if you so like. But as the manual progresses, the models have added complexity and added narration to explain the meshing process that has taken place to achieve the high-quality meshes that are presented. This is a great learning tool. This is an example found on page 46. I am going to copy the whole model into TrueGrid. If you wanted, you could copy one command at a time from the manual into the text box to see how this mesh was built. I encourage you to do this. This is a very effective training tool. I will use this example from page 37 to show you that step-by-step process. I'll copy down to the end of the first block, but I could have added surface definitions one at a time and inspected each, but I think you will get my point by copying blocks of related commands instead. This is a bit repetitive, so I'll speed it up. The point is that you can do this with any of the models in our examples manual, and for that matter, any models in our training manual or our user manuals. They're all available on our website. You can also find this handy keyboard function key template PDF on our website that you can print out, cut off a strip, and place above the row of function keys on your keyboard. Lastly, as you're already watching this video, you have found our TrueGrid Introductory Course video series on YouTube. We have selected videos hosted on YouTube, but more advanced lessons are hosted on our website, and you can access them with your XYZ Insiders account starting April 1st, 2025.